Welcome back to the channel, woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're counting down the top 5 jigs every workshop needs. These tools will save you time, boost your accuracy, and make your projects look professional. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The King & Charles Cabinet Handle Jig is designed to simplify the process of installing cabinet hardware such as handles, pulls, and knobs. One of its most practical features is the inclusion of an automatic center punch. Instead of drilling directly into the surface, which can cause the drill to slip or create uneven holes, the punch allows users to mark precise pilot points before drilling larger holes. This reduces errors and ensures cleaner results. The jig includes both metric and imperial measurements, with clear markings on a stainless steel ruler for durability and accuracy. Its detachable design makes it portable, and the included storage bag helps keep parts organized. By setting the jig once, users can repeat measurements consistently across multiple doors or drawers, saving considerable time. Suitable for a variety of cabinet styles, including shaker doors and recessed fronts, it provides a reliable guide for consistent hardware placement. Number 2. The Kreg K4 pocket hole jig is a woodworking tool that helps create strong and reliable joints. It uses a method called pocket hole joinery. This means you drill an angled hole into one piece of wood, then join it to another piece with screws. The result is a sturdy connection without complicated joinery. The K4 has a 3-hole drill guide. It works with materials from 1/2 inch thick up to 1 1/2 inches thick. The design is adjustable, so it can be used for many different projects, from furniture building to small household repairs. A large clamping recess keeps the jig steady while you work. The removable drill guide allows you to use it on a workbench or take it with you for portable jobs. With its simple drill, drive, and done process, the K4 makes pocket hole joinery fast and consistent. Number 3. The Milescraft 1312 drill block is a handheld drilling guide designed to help users drill straight and accurate holes without the need for a drill press. It includes 6 hardened steel guides that match the most common drill bit sizes: 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. These guides keep the drill bit aligned and reduce the chance of slipping. For accuracy, the block has built-in vertical and horizontal center lines, making it easier to position holes exactly where they are needed. Non-slip feet on the base hold the guide steady during use and also protect the work surface from scratches. A built-in V-groove allows drilling into round materials, such as dowels or pipes, as well as into corners. Compact and simple to use, the drill block provides a practical way to achieve consistent results in woodworking and home projects. Number 4. The Kreg 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is designed to make pocket hole joinery faster and more consistent. Pocket hole joinery is a method where angled holes are drilled into one piece of wood, then joined to another piece with screws. This creates strong and reliable joints without the need for complex woodworking techniques. The 720 Pro is built for ease of use. It has a one-motion clamping system that automatically adjusts to the thickness of the material. This means you can work with wood from 1/2 inch thick up to 1 1/2 inches thick without constant readjustments. The drill guide includes an anti-slip surface to keep the bit steady, reducing errors while drilling. This jig is especially useful for medium-sized projects, such as furniture or cabinetry. By combining quick setup with secure clamping, the 720 Pro helps woodworkers save time while maintaining accuracy. Number 5. The Kreg 320 Pocket Hole Jig is a compact tool designed for creating strong pocket hole joints in a variety of woodworking projects. It works with materials from 1/2 inch thick up to 1 1/2 inches thick, which covers most common sizes used in do-it-yourself projects. The jig is built for quick setup. You can adjust it easily for different material thicknesses, and its sturdy construction is designed for long-term use. An anti-slip base helps keep the jig steady while drilling, reducing movement and improving accuracy. The 320 also includes adjustable spacing, which makes it useful for working in tight spaces or on smaller pieces of wood. A 2-inch face clamp is included to hold the jig securely in place during use. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects, this jig provides a straightforward way to achieve consistent pocket hole joints without complicated adjustments.